too much to do, and really not doing anything is new. Doing something, isn't it? Like calming down, like trying to relax, you know, and try not to freak.
Oh, the Jeff Richard Show.
Oh, did you eat?
All of these great phenomena, all of them studied art and music. So I had to get into that phenomena.
From there is
seem like you might-
Jodie Foster there?
Yes, doctor. That's my impression of Jodie Foster in the movie Silence of the Lambs. Yes, doctor.
Nice.
Sorry. Low-hanging fruit.
Okay, well,
I love both you guys.
and I'm losing love for you. No,
A funny guy, and you were discovered
Bob
by
Saget. It was Bob Saget. It was
Well,
Bob Saget.
Bill Murray.
And someone said, this is the final nail in Alec Baldwin's career casket.
They do that.
They were
don't
right.
Well, they were and they weren't because
Hey, nut butter. I like a little nut in my butter.
I amp up.
you ready to?
Yeah.
I've forgotten it already.
No,
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.